Ola,
are you done with your job?
okay, this your work no be small work o. I saw everywhere for the roof dey leak. I climb am go reconnect the pipe. Go for your toilet oga.
Wetin go cause that kind
toilet
thing?
fit pursue this country.
Wetin go cause that kind thing, my brother?
Na overload of shit. No, when the shit overload in the socket, it cause problem, explosion. The water flow no go.
Chai. So
You
you
don't understand the
don
work.
do am finish?
I don't do am finish.
Aye, nice one, nice one.
Thank you, sir.
Nice one,
Thank
nice
you,
one.
sir.
Go. 15,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
15,000.
Yes, sir. It's not much, sir.
Let me check if I have 15,000. Let me check. You can see if I have 50,000 naira here.
Hey! Jesus!
We want to collect 15,000.
Okay, leave me money.
Come back there. Shift come like this. How many shit are shift for that place?
Okay, no sense, you know.
How many shit are shift for that place, my friend?
Okay.
You do work, you want to use me open account.
Okay, no vex. Nah,
Shh, make I no vex.
nah,
I go punish you. You see it? Oh, you dey craze? Na me dey make I give you.
Okay, no vex, no vex. No vex.
No be one thing if you say you no help me tomorrow for just collect everything wey you do. Come on comot for there stupid for this kind lockdown you wan. Na me you wan use open account God no go ever forgive you for this kind lockdown wey dey. How na this guy get mind o.
No. I no hear na film o. Igbo man wọ̀nyí náà I wan chop. Water shall never depart from that house. You wan water you go die. Let's see. Me a whole plumber.
You like that?
Yeah.
My house dey make this thing.
Oh, why the house dey make this thing o? Jesus. My come, see, no vex, come, see my house, two things you, come, I will pay, money will not be the problem, come. Oga, we don dey settle case since January. No vex, come back. No worry yourself. In fact, no Sean dey come, wait for me. No vex, I go dash you to God, I go dash you abeg, come back.